Welcome to Red TV Online Education. In this video, we will discuss on some problems and solutions related to right angle triangle of trigonometry. If tan A equal to 3 by 4, then find the other trigonometric ratio of an angle A. Here, we observe the problem and A equal to 3 by 4 is already given. Here, first you draw the right angle triangle. The triangle is ABC at the angle A. So, given that tan A equal to 3 by 4, trigonometric ratio of tan A equal to opposite side of an angle by adjacent side of an angle A. In this figure is given the opposite side is 3K and adjacent side is 4K. So, we can find the hypotenuse. That means AC. So, first you write the values of BC equal to 3K and AB equal to 4K. Here, you find the AC value. That means hypotenuse. Given that tan A equal to 344 and tan A equal to opposite side of an angle A by adjacent side of an angle A, that equal to 3 by 4. For angle A, opposite side equal to BC, that equal to 3K, and adjacent side equal to AB, that equal to 4K. Here K is any positive number. Now we have in triangle ABC, by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, that equal to 3K whole square plus 4K whole square. That equal to 9K square plus 16K square. That equal to 25K square. AC square equal to 25K square. AC equal to square root of 25K square. AC equal to 5K, that equal to hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 5K. We can easily write the other ratios of trigonometry. Here, sin A equal to opposite side of an angle by hypotenuse, that equal to 3K by 5K, that equal to 3 by 5. And cos A equal to adjacent side of an angle A by hypotenuse. So 4K by 5K, that equal to 4 by 5. Tan A value is already given. So tan A equal to 3 by 4. So cosec A equal to reciprocal of sin A, that equal to 1 by sin A, that equal to 5 by 3. And sec A equal to reciprocal of cos A, that equal to 1 by cos A, that equal to 5 by 4. So cot A equal to reciprocal of tan A, that equal to cot A equal to 1 by tan A, that equal to 4 by 3. So these are the trigonometric ratios of an angle A. Second example, if angle A and angle P are acute angles such that sin A equal to sin P, then prove that angle A equal to angle P. In this example, given that sin A equal to sin P and angle A and angle P are acute angles. You draw the figures angle A and angle P. These two are two acute angles A and P. A, B, C. Acute angle P, Q, R. So here opposite side of an angle sin A equal to, so BC by hypotenuse, that equal to AC. Similarly, sin P, opposite side of an angle PQR and hypotenuse is PR. Given that sin A equal to sin P, sin A equal to BC by AC and sin P equal to QR by PQ. Then BC by AC equal to QR by PQ. Therefore, BC by AC equal to QR by PQ, that equal to some constant value K. By using the Pythagoras theorem, AB by PR equal to square root of AC square minus BC square by square root of PQ square minus QR square. Square root of AC square minus BC square. So here BC square. So BC by AC equal to K. That equal to BC equal to K into AC. So here K square into AC square by, similarly you can write PQ square minus K square into PQ square, that equal to square root of AC square is common, 1 minus K square by square root of pq square is common here, 1 minus k square. So AC by PQ. Hence AC by PQ is equal to AB by PR. That equal to BC by QR. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, angle A equal to angle P. Consider a triangle PQR, right angle at P, in which PQ equal to 29 units and QR equal to 21 units, and angle PQR equal to theta. Then find the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta, and second one is cos square theta minus sin square theta. First you draw the figure in PQR, right angle triangle. So P, Q, R. Here PQ equal to 29 and hypotenuse is 29 units, and QR is adjacent side, so that equal to 21 units. Solution in PQR, we have, by using the Pythagoras theorem, PR equal to square root of PQ square minus QR square, that equal to square root of 29 square minus 21 square, that equal to square root of 420 units. In this diagram, sin theta equal to opposite side of an angle by hypotenuse. So here opposite side of an angle is 20 units. That equal to PR by hypotenuse PQ, that equal to 20 by 29. So here sin theta equal to 20 by 29, and second one is cos theta equal to QR by PQ, that equal to 21 by 29. So you know the values of sin theta and cos theta. Now find the value of first one is cos square theta plus sin square theta, that equal to cos square theta 21 by 29 whole square plus 20 by 29 whole square, that equal to 441 plus 400 by 841, that equal to 841 by 841. So the value equal to 1. So cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta 21 by 29 whole square minus 20 by 29 whole square, that equal to minus 41 by 841. So these are the examples of trigonometry chapter 1. For related exercises, please check the video link in this video description panel. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.